Check this out. That's a big difference. Just installed some LED fog light bulbs. So let me show you guys. So here are the LED fog light bulbs that I got. They are from Auxito and they look to be pretty well built and sturdy. They come with instructions, as you can see there, and I kind of like how they come with a pair of installation gloves. So if you guys want to go with this set too, I'll have a link down below in the description with a discount. Now let's just get straight to it and get these guys installed. Before I install the new LED fog light bulbs, I need to polish up the fog light lenses. Check this out. It's all hazied up. Hopefully that's on the outside. So let me go ahead and get that done real quick. There we go, much better. Now we can install the new LED fog light bulbs. Okay, so we're going to be replacing the bulb through the wheel well area. So we're gonna need to loosen up this fender liner here so that we can have access to the fog light. And the first thing we need to do is we're gonna have to turn the wheel. And then after that, to have access to the bulbs, you will only need to remove 2 8mm screws. So you have one right here, right there, and then you have another one right here, which is right there. After those 2 10mm screws are removed, now you have access to the bulb. All you gotta do is kind of tug on this bumper a little bit here, grab the fender liner and just pull it carefully. You gotta use 2 hands for this, but carefully pull the fender liner out and you have access to the bulb right there. Okay, now we gotta remove the harness off of the bulb. There's 2 tabs on the side right here. You see it? Press both of those tabs on the side and pull down. Now we can remove the bulb out of the fog light housing, twist it counterclockwise, and pull straight out. The old fog light bulb is out. Now let's install the new Auxito LED fog light bulbs. So first, what you want to do is line up the 3 prongs you see sticking out on the 3 sides there into the fog light housing. Once it's seated, like how you see there, twist to lock. Good. And then plug in the harness. There we go. Here, click. Now it's ready to go. Let's test it out and see how it looks. And here it is. Dang, those new LED bulbs look much better than the stock bulbs. Now that we know that the LED works on this side, let's finish up the install by mounting down the fender liner with the 2 8mm screws. Now let's see the comparison between the 2 at night. And here it is. Wow, that is much cleaner. I actually like that a lot. Now that you guys see the differences between the 2 bulbs, let's follow the same process for the driver's side. But first, I need to clean up and polish up this lens first. There we go, much better. Now we can install the new LED bulbs. Remove the 2 8mm fender screw. You have one right around here and one right around there. Let me show you guys. Right there and right there. Pull the fender liner back by pulling the bumper here, grabbing the fender liner, pulling it, and then as you can see the fog light bulb is there. And first unplug the fog light bulb by pressing the tab, pulling the connector down, grab the bulb, twist clockwise and pull out. Install the new LED bulb by lining up those 3 prongs, twist to lock, plug in the harness until you hear a click. Good to go. Now let's bolt down the fender liner with the 2 8mm screws. And here it is with both bulbs installed. That is so much cleaner and brighter. I am pretty happy with these. Let me know what you guys think. And then here's how it looks against my garage. Let's step out real quick. Fog lights only. And this is what it looks like from inside of the car. Videos don't really do it justice, but man, it is bright. Let's see if we can see it from the back side. There we go, check that out. Fog lights only, no headlights. See? Fog lights only. Ooh, that's pretty bright. So if you want to get these Auxito LED fog light bulbs for the E90, make sure to use the link down below in the description to get 15% off of your order. Or if you just want to get it for any of the other cars, make sure to use the discount code CJ's Car Collection to get 15% off of your order. And if you guys have any further questions about the procedure, just comment it down below and I will try my best to help you guys out. Now, if you guys missed the video where I installed the gloss black kidney grills on the E90 330i, make sure you guys go and check it out right here, and also subscribe to my channel right here. Thanks.